My name is Fernando Sant'Anna. I'm from Brazil, and I practice acupuncture and French auriculotherapy. I'm also a cardiologist. I usually use the electric detector, the differential electric detector. I also use the semi-permanent needles, and I have the laser, the PREMIO 32 Evo, and I also have been using those devices for many, many years. Since I did the first course with Nogier, Raphaël Nogier, and Yves Rouxeville later, a little bit later, I have been fascinated by the technique. The results were very, very fast to obtain and with almost no collateral effects. My patients are very satisfied and very happy to be treated with something that does not have the side collateral effects of drugs, and they are also very impressed by the fast results we got with the technique. One time per week in some kind of acute and chronic patients, one time each 15 days or 21 days. There are lots of cases. It's difficult to remember more than 300 cases along some years. And sometimes I have striking results with just one or two sessions. And that's what impressed me most. Sometimes I receive patients with lumbosciatica, for example, sciatic pain, and also with brachial, cervical brachial pains. And those patients have taken lots of medications and they improve, but after some days, the pain came back. And when I when they started to use auriculotherapy, not only the pain improved, but also their state of mind, their humor, their moods, and so they uh, they improve it as a whole, and only uh, not only a symptomatic relief, but also an improving quality of life. That's amazing. It is important because it turns something subjective, like pain. Pain is variable between individuals, and among individuals, in something objective. The electrical differential detection uh, allows us to say, okay, we have a pathological point and it is electrically confirmed. So it's not something I think it should be treated. I know that it should be treated by an objective method. I would like at least one time. If you don't want to practice it as a physician, uh, you you must try it in yourself to see the effects of such a simple technique that was left to us by Paul Nogier so many years ago, but also to try the feeling that follows the technique when you are treated by it. It's amazing, like I said before.
For more information, please please visit www.sedatelec.com.